folks. This is just a quick tutorial on using Sceencast-o-matic, which is a free screen recorder. When you come to the website up there, you just click on the Launch Free Recorder and this orange button on the left-hand corner, and you'll notice a pop-up screen that gives you a couple different settings, but the main thing you just need to do is hit the record button that usually is on the bottom left-hand screen. And then you will come to you'll have a box, and basically anything in that box is what is being recorded. So as you can see, I'm moving my box around and it's recording anything that's on your screen. So from here, I could actually open a PowerPoint. See, I just had a recent one open. Oh, some bug there, okay. And I can navigate through my PowerPoint. I can bring it into present mode. And then again, you'll want to make sure that you are moving your screen to capture whatever content you would like. And I can move through my PowerPoint. So I exit. If I'm wanting to give directions, I often will use this as directions for classes too. So if I want to show someone how to navigate or find something on my Blackboard shell, I can use this to help them navigate through where to go, such as click on the assignments folder and open a particular folder that has directions, or whatever information I want to share with them. Yeah, and the other piece, I'm going to click out of here. If you want to, once this video is completed and you want to embed it into your Blackboard shell, I'm going to find an example here. I'll just go to a current course. Here we go. If I want to embed the video, and I've saved it as a YouTube video, I'm just going to go to weekly materials. This is in a Blackboard shell. I'd build my content. I'd bring up an item. I could also go directly to a web link for YouTube, but if I want to embed it directly into my Blackboard shell, I could just say video. And then I would go to, actually let me go to my YouTube account right now. Then I can show you my videos. So here's a video about uploading, whether it's a lecture or uploading directions. I have a number of ones. So any YouTube video that you go to, there's always a share right here.
Hey folks,
Whoops.
This is just a recording to
I don't want to. I'd go to share. And here's my YouTube link, but if I want to embed it directly into my Blackboard shell, I would actually go to embed. And here's this code. So I'd copy that code, embed code. And I would go back to my Blackboard item. And here you see HTML. And when I paste that code in here and update it, and I'm going to save that, it will automatically embed. If I scroll down, let's see. There's a video right now that I just embedded. So a student could go in and watch the video within the Blackboard shell.
Hey folks,
Okay. You want to make sure it obviously has closed captionings. And then you could also put in, then they can also directly link it to watch it on YouTube if they want to go outside of their browser. So I'm just going to delete that since I don't need that on there. And that is a basic tutorial. Once you hit stop recording, you'll have a couple options. You can upload it directly to YouTube. I recommend putting it as unlisted, and that means anyone with the link can view it. If you have it private, then someone with a link won't be able to view it. And you also could upload it. If you're not able to upload it directly to YouTube or don't want to do that option, you can upload or save as a video file, which is an MP4 file. So then that you can also embed that. You can share that via email, or from that MP4 file, you can also upload that file to YouTube as another route, because in case you get mixed up with one of those. So a couple things to try, and different trial and error. So hopefully that helps, and thank you for watching.